Aw, he's so cute.
I know.
What's his name?
Casey.
Aw, that's not a dog collar?
Yes, it is. He picked it out all by himself.
Aw, who's a big boy?
Hey, you guys want some tea?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Her kitty kitty.
How are things with your ex?
Don't even get me started.
Her kitty kitty. Her cat. Ow! Oh my God.
Oh my God, what happened?
Charlie, what did you do to the cat?
He attacked me.
Casey would never, right, Casey?
He attacked me.
You know, I've been so sad since my divorce. And now I have a reason to get out of bed in the morning, right?
But that cat.
If Gacy makes Robin happy, then that's all that matters, right, Charlie?
Oh, let me get that.
That cat is crazy. He totally attacked me.
Don't you think you're being just a little bit delicate?
Delicate? Look at my face.
Shh.
No, my cat sitter just canceled for next weekend.
Aw. Charlie and I can cat sit for you next weekend.
Really? That would be wonderful. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, let me get the tea.
Are you crazy? I told you he attacked me.
Look, Robin's in a place in her life where she could use really good friends. It's the least we can do. Besides, how hard can cat sitting be?
Popular pie plant. I want to hit line drive.
Question for you.
I'm bored.
Do you want to go start dinner?
Okay.
All right, I'll finish this chapter and I'll be right in.
Charlie, leave the cat alone.
Oh my God, he just attacked me again.
You're so dramatic. Leave the cat alone.
I have to use the bathroom.
Go ahead.
Do you think you could walk me?
Seriously? Just go. God, don't be such a drama llama.
Fine. If you want me, you know where to find me. I'm still in here.
Oops. Oh my God, what?
He was in here.
Charlie, this has got to stop. I'm getting really sick of this. Ugh, great.
It's him.
Oh my God. You wait here and I'll go check the fuse box.
Hello? Robin? It's me, Louise Ledbetter, your neighbor. Is everything okay? I heard some screaming.
Charlie, I can't figure it out. The fuse box seems fine. Charlie? Charlie, what are you doing in there? What? Charlie, I can't understand you. What?
I'm glad you finally let me take you out to lunch.
It's just what I needed, you know. I just lost 2 very close friends and a neighbor.
Really? That's terrible.
Yeah. Well, let me get my purse and we'll go.
Okay, great. Oh, hey there, little fella. How you doing? Come here. What you got there, little guy?